I know a few of you have been looking for alternatives for things to do for boys in the sort of ribbon making world. So what I've done is I've learnt how to make these little bow ties, no-sew versions for you, and look how cute they are. And I've just attached them to a band of FOE, but with the way that they're made, you could attach them to badge clips or any sort of clip that you're happy to attach, so it'll be easy to take off a child without doing them any damage. But obviously these FOE bands, like I said, they're quite easy to get over a child's head without any damage, and a child can easily lift them off without like the FOE hitting them or harming them in any way, if they decide to sort of pull on it too much. So that's why I've decided to use these. So what you'll need is, I'll show you the backs. As you can see, we've used 3-inch ribbon here and we've folded it in to create the tie-like effect. So that's a cute pink version. Like I said, could do them for girls as well. Nice pastel pale blue version. And what you'll need is some 3-inch ribbon. This is 26 centimetres. The corresponding 9mm for the middle, roughly 14 inches of FOE for the neck piece, and I'll show you how to do it. So what I do first is I've heat sealed both ends with my lighter. I'm just going to fold it in half. You want to pinch the centre, one end, fold it in half again, and pinch that centre. Because what we want to do is we want to fold in each side, but we don't want to go all the way into the centre. We want to go about as close to the centre as we can get without actually overlapping. So I'll just show you. I'm just going to pin so you can see. That's what these clips are for now. Like I said, try and do it as even as possible all the way along. I'll just bring it up a bit closer for you. So as you can see, not quite over that little pinch, just a little bit before it. And then I'm going to do exactly the same the other side. Fold it in just before that centre crease. And I'm just going to slide that across so it holds everything in place. Okay, last one. So that's your front, well, your back. That's what your front looks like. Okay, so then got my handy little tiny mini straighteners here, and I'm just going to run that over like so. Take that next clip off, and again all the way along. Get off. Again, I'm just gonna do that again one last time. Like so. And this is what you get, like a little tube effect. And what I do is I'm just going to heat seal those down like so, and the other end. There we go. Make that splash can. Okay. And then we fold it over. And what we do is on your triangle, you want to fold it across, but you don't want to go all the way over. You want to get as close to that edge as you can, like so, without it overlapping. You don't want it to go edge to edge, you want it just before that edge. Okay, press that crease down a little because we're going to glue on that triangle bit here, and then fold that back over like so. I'm just going to cut that little overheat sealed bit off. So that's in place, and then we're going to do exactly the same again. Fold your other side over, but again, you don't want it right to that corner. You want it as close as you possibly can without overlapping, and pinch that side a little bit so that we can glue that. There we go. And press down. And there is your bow tie tip. And then what you want to do this side is you want to fold it roughly 1.5 inches down. Like so. And at this point, put your crease in there so you can see it. Just going to place the FOE in so it's easier than threading it once it's glued. So just need a touch of glue over there. Yeah, I'm just going to put a little bit in there just so they glue together nicely. And then a bit here, a bit here. Fold that like so. So you get this, and pinch, and then to get your little crease in, what you do is fold from where you glued your centre up, and you want a touch of glue just there. Don't overdo it though, just a little bit like that. Okay, and then we fold this side and this side down and back like so, so you get this effect. And again, you just need a touch of glue either side. Okay, just hold that for a second. Okay, and then we take our 9mm corresponding, heat seal our edges, touch of glue just there. I want to go over that bit there, I'm just gonna glue over there so it hides everything nicely. Excuse the bump, that was my glue gun falling over. Okay. That's better. And wrap round a couple of times, nice and tight. And cut off your excess. And heat seal your end. We just want a touch of glue just there. There we go. So there's our little tie. Like I said, there's your front. This is what it looks like in the back. And then all we do with the FOA is make sure it's looped round like so. So your fancy side showing out. We just want a touch of glue there. Pinch that together. And then I just sort of hide that glued piece in the actual body of the bow tie piece. And there you go. There's a little cute bow tie made of 3-inch ribbon. Like I said, you can do all different colours. You could do little prints, whatever you like. Like I said, you can attach the loops to badge pins. You could attach them to whatever sort of clip that you personally prefer. And there you go. That's how cute little bow ties. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join me over on Facebook under the same name, Cat's Ribbon Tutorials, and I will speak to you all soon. Thanks, bye!